Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm with Zebra Printer Supply Store, e-commerce division of Midwest Barcode Solutions. Today I want to talk to you about a simple test that you or your printer technicians or operators can perform real quick to determine whether or not you are going to need to replace your print head or not. Essentially, it's going to just gauge the health of your print head. A lot of people will just react when printing goes south. You go out there and think it's a print head and that's going to solve all your problems. It's not always the case. It can, honestly be an unnecessary expense. So really, this test is going to boil it all down, tell you whether it is or isn't the print head. And again, we call it the pause test. Real easy. Anybody can do it. First thing you're going to do, excuse me, is reach around. Here we've got the Zebra ZM400. It's the same for all the printers, all the Zebra printers out there. So you're going to take the printer, which is in ready mode right now, reach around. I'm going to turn it off. Then I'm going to push the pause button here. And while holding that, I'm going to turn the printer back on and hold it for about 5 seconds. Instead of going into just print ready mode, this printer is going to go into a self-fulfilling mode where it's going to go through this test automatically for you. And what it's going to do is it's going to fire every pixel on that print head all at the same time. So it'll be one large black line across it. Push pause to stop this, otherwise it'll keep going. But really what you can see here is it's firing every pixel all the way across the print head, and then we're able to look at this, the result, and see that every single pixel fired perfectly. We've got a great print head here, printing's clear, there's no vertical lines, which would indicate to us that there's a dead spot. Here's an example of a print head or a pause test result where you do see the dead spots on that print head. At that point in time, the print head, you could still print with it, but if any of these dead spots are running through critical code or critical text on your label, then obviously that's not acceptable and you're going to have to replace your print head. Can you squeeze it out if it's not critical? Yeah, you bet. But eventually those are going to become more of a nuance as they continue to add. So again, this is just showing you the health of your print head. And you can be the determining decision maker as to whether you need to replace it or not. Ultimately, that's the pause test right there. Really simple. To get out of the pause mode, you're going to need to turn your printer back on or back off, and then back on, and then you can get back to printing as usual. So again, this is the pause test. Real simple, real effective. It can help you make that decision. Hopefully save you a little bit of money if it's really not your print. Zebra Printer Supply Store. We're an online e-commerce division of Midwest Barcode Solutions. Your leader, national leader when it comes to Zebra technologies. We've got printers, we've got labels, we've got ribbons, we've got print heads, we've got parts, and we've got the knowledge to help keep your fleet up and going. We've got everything in stock. Well, I should say 95% of things in stock. Shipped same day at a great cost, and then you get us. You get our expertise and our industry knowledge, which is over 25 years working with Zebra. So trust us with your next order and just discover the difference. Thanks much. Take care.